Signing Jaguar would be disastrous for the financial health of this company.
The proposed 3 million gallon water tank will not only drain the Pleasantville Road reservoir, but also blemish the natural and financial health of our community.
I was trying to calculate how long it would take me to make a profit of $10,000 at the mat.
We can sell them at $4 a box and make a profit of almost $2 on each one.
Good. They make a hell of a lot more money than you do, and without that revenue, we'll be forced to sell.
10,000 million pounds a day turnover.
Calculate your break-even point so you can give your investors some confidence.
UBS was running at a cash flow break-even point after taking into account $110 million of negative cash flow from the network.
Profit margin on trees was getting way too tight for the guys like me, so I'm always looking for new ways to turn a buck.
Yeah, I know.
Using extensive marketing surveys and cost ratio analysis, it is possible to significantly improve the productivity and therefore increase the profit margin. Show it.
Apple is continuing to lose market share with no new innovations in the pipeline except the Newton, a pet project of CEO John Sculley.
6 months. By stealing it, you're hoping to undercut their pricing, beat them to the market, and with your existing brand recognition in dental hygiene, steal 8 to 10% of the market share back.
You have no balance sheet, no income or cash flow forecast.
It's listed as a current asset on this balance sheet, but the invoice was never presented to accounts receivable.
I did a rough accounting of your assets and liabilities.
Corporations deal in two things, period. Assets and liabilities.
I just wanted you to know that yes, Morgan has suffered some losses, but our liquidity is strong and there's no cause for concern.
Well, I was reading the Wall Street Journal and came across this medical supply company that was looking to expand but didn't have the liquidity.
Even if we were comfortable with the agreement, which we are not, Barclays would need at least 30 days for shareholder approval.
I'd only been a shareholder for 1 day, and I was already reveling in the giddy thrill in being part owner of a thriving tech company.
If I miss one single day, shareholders rebel, stock price plummets, and I'm filed for fucking bankruptcy.
With their prototype destroyed, the company would be near bankruptcy.
And then you told us that it would be advantageous for us to enhance our income statement to help facilitate the approving process.
So I've been looking over the income statements from the last 3 years.
We keep our first dividend checks and they pay for our new letterheads.
And that's how he paid himself or his wife £1.2 billion as a dividend 2 years after buying Wanda.